What's up guys, welcome back to the MW Tech channel, and here we are with another product, and this is one of the most exciting products whole in this channel. I think the most exciting was the unspillable mug. I've put the link here so you can go and check an old video, but this bad boy is the most exciting and the most expensive thing that I ever used in my entire life. And this is the M1 MacBook Air. To be honest, this is my first ever Mac or Apple product, but I have no experience with something like this. This is the MacBook Air M1 2020 laptop, and this is 2022, and it's a bit old, but what am I kidding? This is a great laptop still then, and it was an amazing laptop. The M1 MacBook Air is a really good laptop for now. Also, it has more performance than the i7 chip, so this was a groundbreaking laptop. And so this is the 8 gig 256 version, and this is the 13-inch laptop. So I think let's go for the unboxing, and I'm pretty much excited. I have never used an Apple product before. All right, I have used once, but it's a different story. Like, I have never owned one Apple product for more than half an hour. So I am really excited about this. So let's do the unboxing. So from here, okay, let's see. Oh my god, I'm really excited. Oh. This is cool. All right. Oh wow. This is great. Let me tell you, this feels good. This is actually nice. All right. Okay. Now we have the M1, and this. Let's see how it goes. So here it comes. Just okay, it's coming in the odd way. Oh, nice, look at that. Oh, that is great. I got the space gray. Is it? I think it's the space gray. Boom. Oh my god, it's so light. This is the most lightest laptop that I ever used. It is so subtle and so thin. My god, it is cool. It is way better than what I expected. So let's keep this thing away a bit, and let's see what's inside the box. So we have the charging cable, which is a USB-C to USB-C type. We have that, and we have some user manual and some Apple stickers. All right, which comes in space gray color. So that is really cool, and I love it. All right, and we also get the charging brick. So that's that. And here we go to the bad boy, the M1 MacBook Air 13-inch laptop, and look at that. Oh my god, that is crazy cool. That was way crazy cool. Oh yes, look at that. Oh, look at the color of it. Holy shit, it's so clean. And it also has 2 Thunderbolt ports on this side, and also a headphone jack. That's it. That's basically what you're gonna get. And for the opening of this bad boy, it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be so subtle, so clean, and so smooth. Look at that. Look at that. That was great. Oh, that is really amazing. Oh, look at that keyboard. Oh, that is so cool. Oh my god, this is so small. Look at this. It's so, the form factor of this MacBook Air is so crazy. Oh wow, this, ladies and gentlemen, this is what it looks like. Absolutely amazing. Look at the bright of the screen. It's a real bright screen. Look at that. It's an amazing, really vibrant and bright screen. I need to see how this, actually I need to hear. I need to hear how good this these speakers are. There are two speaker grills in both sides, which is really amazing, and this trackpad is magnificently huge. Look at that. It's like almost my palm. It's almost the size of my palm. And it's great, it's great. And also the Magic Keyboard type, it's really good, really amazing. And I actually, to be honest, I have no idea how to use this. And let's see what we have here. Let's go non-copyrighted. Oh, now it's max. Okay. Nice, I like it. It is not even heavy. That is the best part. I just can carry it like this. It's so really cool. I love it. It also has battery. It has a 50% there. You can see that. Points for that. This is really cool. This is genuinely the best thing ever, and I really love it. So actually, that's it for this video. I am really happy to share this thing with you guys, and we have to do some experiment, and I have no idea how this thing works. So definitely see you guys in the next video.